Hello guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to add follow button on Facebook page. To start, open your application store in your mobile device. Once you find your application store, tap on it to open it. Now wait for the App Store to fully load and then go to the search bar immediately. Over at the search bar, you are going to search for Facebook. Once you're done typing, hit on enter or tap the Facebook word. Once you are here, you will now see Facebook. Now tap on it once again. In here, you will need to either update, download, or reinstall your Facebook application towards your mobile device. Now once you're done with both three steps, you can now close settings. This time, you're going to open and locate your Facebook application over at your mobile device. Once you are here, click on your profile on the bottom right. You'll see it easily because it has your profile photo. In here, you will need to scroll down. And then you're going to go to Help and Support. Over at Help and Support, click on Report a Problem. In here, all you have to do is push through and tap on the button that says Report a Problem. Now, press Include and Report. In here, all you have to do right now is to input on the description on what your problem is over at the Facebook follow button. Or you could also follow my very own sentences over at this description page so that you won't have a hard time composing the sentence. Now the other option here also is to add attachments such as a Facebook screen capture or a video to further support your case. Once you are satisfied with what you have attached, click on Send. And that should be it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.